Okay, so I have bay number two, which is gonna be this button right here. So again, I just set this one, bay number one over there, bay number two right here. So again, jumble on LiftMaster. So you come to the learning button right here. So you press it, it comes on. You choose the second button right here. You press it. Okay. I think I need to change the light. All right. So you hear the click. So it's good to go. You'll come down and you press the second button right here. And it is working. Press it up. Okay, this is LiftMaster. LiftMaster Formula One, Chamberlain. How to set your remote. I believe this one cost 1850 Amazon. It was delivered in 24 hours. Very easy to do. I believe you might be able to use between most of the remote control because in my other car I have the universal one, but I just went with LiftMaster since it was so cheap. Okay, have a great day.